Good morning students. Today I am discussing most important very shortened questions in definite integration maths 2b. Okay. First question. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5x by sin power 5x plus cos power 5x. This is the equation 1. Okay. You can use the King formula. Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This is the lower interval, this is the upper interval. Okay. I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5 pi by 2 minus x by sin power 5 pi by 2 minus x plus cos power 5 pi by 2 minus x. Okay. Therefore, we know the value of sin pi by 2 minus x is equal to cos x. Therefore, cos power 5x by cos power 5x plus sin power 5x. This is the equation 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. Therefore, 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5x plus cos power 5x by sin power 5x plus cos power 5x. Therefore, 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 1 dx. 1 dx is equal to x. Therefore, 2i is equal to x 0 pi by 2. We have one formula, integral a to b f of x dx is equal to f of x a to b f of b minus f of a, upper interval minus lower interval, that is equal to pi by 2 minus 0. Therefore, I is equal to pi by 4. This is the main formula for all the sums. Okay. Next sum, integral 2 to 3 2x by 1 plus x square dx. You can observe this is in the form of f dash x by f of x. The derivative of 1 is equal to 0, the derivative of x square is equal to 2x. Therefore, integral f dash x by f of x dx is equal to log mod f of x plus c. Therefore, log mod 1 plus 9 minus log mod 1 plus 4, that is equal to log 10 minus log 5. Therefore, it is in the form of log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. Okay. Then log 2 is the answer. Integral 0 to pi, third sum. Integral 0 to pi root over 2 plus 2 cos theta. Take 2 as the common, then 1 plus cos theta. Therefore, 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. That is equal to root 2, and you can take the 2 as the common here. Root 2 into root 2, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos t by 2, theta by 2. Integral cos theta by 2 is equal to sin theta by 2 by 1 by 2. Therefore, 4 into sin theta by 2. Upper interval pi, lower interval 0. Therefore, 4 sin pi by 2 minus 0. Therefore, answer is 4. Next sum number 4. Integral 0 to 4 x square by 1 plus x dx. Add and subtract x. Okay. Therefore, x square plus x minus x by 1 plus x. X square plus x by 1 plus x. Take x as the common here. Okay. X into x plus 1 by 1 plus x. Cancel here. Therefore, x by 1 plus x. You can write x by 1 plus x in the form of this. You can use the partial fractions also here. Therefore, 1 minus 1 by x. Therefore, integral x, it is in the form of integral x power n dx. Therefore, formula is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Therefore, x square by 2, lower interval 0, upper interval 4, minus integral 1, that is equal to x. It is integral 1 by x, that is equal to log mod 1 plus x. That is equal to 4 square by 2, 8. 4 minus 0, 8 minus 4, 4. Log 1 plus 4 minus log 1. Therefore, log 5. 8 minus 4 plus log 5. Therefore, 4 plus log 5 is the answer. Next. Sum number 5. Integral root over 4 minus x square dx. It is in the form of root over a square minus x square. The value of a is equal to, you can observe the formula here. Integral root over a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 root over a square plus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. This is the formula. Therefore, x by 2 root over 4 minus x square, a is equal to, that is equal to 4 by 2 sin inverse x by 2. Okay. Then upper value, upper interval, x by 2 root over 4 minus 4, the value is 0 plus 2 sin inverse x by 2, 2 by 2, that is equal to 2 by 2. Sin inverse 2 by 2 means sin inverse 1. You can write the value of sin inverse 1 is equal to sin pi by 2, sin inverse sin pi by 2. Therefore, answer is pi. Okay. Next, sum number 6. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 4x cos power 5x dx. The value of m is equal to 4, n is equal to 5. It is the odd function. The value n, it is the odd value. Okay. Formula, m is equal to 4 even, n is equal to 5 odd. Okay. Integral 0 to pi pi by 2 sin power mx cos power nx dx is equal to n minus 1 by m plus n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, so on m plus n. If m is even, n is odd. Therefore, n is equal to 5. Therefore, 5 minus 1 by 4 plus 5, 5 minus 3 by 4 plus 5 minus 2, 1 by 4 plus 1. In this sum, there is no need to repeated and there is no need to negative also. Okay. 4 by 9, 2 by 7, 1 by 5. Therefore, 8 by 315 is the answer. Next, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square x minus cos square x by sin cube x plus cos cube x. This is the equation 1. You can use King's rule here. Integral, the formula is integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. That is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square pi by 2 minus x minus cos square pi by 2 minus x by sin cube pi by 2 minus x plus cos cube pi by 2 minus x. Therefore, pi by 2 minus x, this is the cos square x, this is sin square x, cos cube x plus sin cube x. Adding equation 1 and equation 2, 1, 2, adding. Therefore, equation 1, sin square minus cos square, denominator is same, sin square minus cos square plus cos square minus sin square. Here, sin square cancelled, cos square cancelled, therefore answer is 0. Next sum. Find the area bounded by x cube plus 3 and x axis, x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 0. First of all, you can take the table. Y is equal to x cube plus 3. The value of x is equal to minus 1. Suppose x equal to minus 1. Then y is equal to minus 1 cube plus 3. That is equal to minus 1 plus 3. This is the 2. Suppose x cube is 0. 0 plus 3. 3. Suppose 1. 4. 2. 3 plus 8. 11. You can observe the diagram. Minus 1. 0. 1. 2. This is the x axis. Okay. The value of y. Suppose it is a minus 1. The value is 2. Suppose 0. The value is 3. Suppose the value is 1. The value is 4. 2, 4. This is the area. Okay. This is the required area. Therefore, area is equal to minus 1 to 2 x cube plus 3. Here the formula integral x power n. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is equal to x power 4 by 4. Integral 3, that is equal to 3x. Lower interval minus 1, upper interval 2. Therefore, you can observe this is the answer. In this sum, I observed I can use the formula integral a to b f of x dx. This is a standard formula, that is equal to f of x a to b upper interval minus lower interval. In every sum, I can use this formula. Okay, that is equal to 16 by 4 plus 6 minus 4 minus 3. Therefore, the value is 51 by 4 square units. Next sum. Find the area bounded by the parabola y is equal to x square and the x axis and the lines x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 2. Given parabola y is equal to x square, it is a parabola. The value of minus 1, 0, 2. The value of minus 1 whole square plus 1, 0 whole square 0, 2 square 4. You can observe this is the diagram. X axis, y axis. The value of minus 1, 1. The value of 0, 1. The value of 0, 0. The value of 2, 4. Therefore, this is the area. Okay. From minus 1 to 2, x square. Integral x square is equal to x cube by 3. 2 minus 1. 2 cube by 3 plus 1 by 3. Therefore, answer 9 by 3 is 3 square units. Next sum. Find the area of the region enclosed by the given curves. X equal to 4 minus y square, x equal to 0. First of all, you can observe x equal to 0 given. Therefore, x equal to 4 minus y square and x equal to 0. 4 minus y square equal to 0. Y square is equal to 4. Y is equal to plus or minus 2. You can observe this graph. This is the minus 2. This is the plus 2. Okay. Suppose, how can find this value? You can observe. Suppose x equal to, y is equal to x equal to 4 minus y square. X equal to 4 minus y square. Suppose y is equal to 0, then x equal to 4. Therefore, this is the value of 4. Therefore, this is the 4. This is the graph. You can observe this is the symmetric. Symmetric means two curves here. Therefore, the area of the graph is area of is equal to area of the x equal to 4 minus y square equal to minus 2 into x dy. But it is a symmetric. Therefore, 2 into integral 0 to 4 minus y square. Therefore, 4y minus y cube by 3, 0 to 2. That is equal to 8 minus 8 by 3 into 2, that is equal to 32 by 3 square units. Find the area under the curve y is equal to f of x sin x 0 to pi. You can observe the value of sin 0 to pi is positive, pi to 2 pi is negative. 0 to pi is positive, pi to 2 pi is negative. Therefore, the curve is integral sin x 0 to pi is positive, pi to 2 pi is negative. Therefore, integral sin x minus cos x 0 to pi, integral cos x pi to 2 pi. Therefore, this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Next sum. Integral 0 to 1 dx by root over 3 minus 2x. First of all, let 3 minus 2x is equal to t. The derivative of 3 is equal to 0 minus 2 dx is equal to dt. The value of dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 dt. First of all, you can change the intervals also here. Why? Because you can consider it is the 3 minus 2x is equal to t. Therefore, lower interval x equal to 0. Then t is equal to 3 minus 0, that is equal to 3. Upper interval x equal to 1, substitute. T is equal to 1. Therefore, 0 integral 3 to 1 minus 1 by 2 dt by root 3. You can observe the lower interval is greater value, upper interval is smaller value. Therefore, you can change the intervals. Suppose I can write here one formula f of x dx, then that is equal to minus b2a f of x dx. This is the one of the important formula you can observe here. Therefore, the intervals are changed. Therefore, 1 by 2, 3, 1 changed. Here lower interval 1, upper interval 3. Therefore, minus is positive. dt by root t. Integral 1 by root t is equal to 2 root 2. 2 root t, that is equal to 1 to 3. Therefore, answer is 3 minus 1. Find the area bounded by the curves y square minus 2, y square minus 1 equal to 2x and x equal to 0. Required area. You can observe, first of all, y square minus 1 is equal to 2x. Suppose x equal to 0. Therefore, y square is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to plus or minus 1. This is the plus 1. This is the minus 1. Okay. This is the plus 1. This is the plus 1. This is the minus 1. Okay. And next, suppose y square minus 1 by 2 is equal to x. But you can observe, suppose this value is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 here. Suppose here y is equal to 0, then 2x is equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 by 2. Then you can observe this is the negative. Okay. Therefore, the graph is negative here. Therefore, minus 1 to 1 minus 1 y square 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay. This is also symmetric graph. Okay. When symmetric is came, you can use the 2 into 0 to 1, 1 minus y square by 2. Okay. You can observe this graph here. This is a symmetric. That is equal to integral 1 is equal to y square is equal to y cube by 3, 0 to 1. Upper interval 1, 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 0, that is equal to 2 by 3 square units is the answer. Next, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5x cos power 4x dx. It is in the form of m is equal to 5 odd, n is equal to 4 even. You can use this formula. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx cos power nx dx. Already I explained this sum in the above. N minus 1 by m plus n, n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, so on 1 by m plus 2, m minus 1 by m, so on 2 by 3. If m is odd, n is even. Therefore, 4 by 9, 2 by 3, 1 by 5. Therefore, answer 8 by 15, 8 by 315. Okay. In these sums, these values must not be repeated, and negative also not valid. Negative also not valid. Next sum. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 6x cos power 4x dx. M is equal to 6, n is equal to 4. Okay. These both are even. In both are even, in last value, here observe, these both are almost same here. In here almost are same. But last value is equal to 1 by 2 pi by 2. Okay. N minus 1 by m plus n. Observe these two formulas. N minus 1 by m plus n. N minus 3 by m plus n minus 2. 1 by m plus 2 same. M minus 1 by m. M minus 3 by m minus 2 same. If it is both are even, in last term 1 by 2 pi by 2. Therefore, in last term 1 by 2 pi by 2. Therefore, this is the 3 pi by 5 by 512. Okay. Next, integral 0 to 2 pi sin square x cos power 4x dx. You can observe integral 0 to 2 pi f of x dx is equal to 2 into integral 0 to pi f of x dx. If the value f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x, these both are even. Okay, it is an even function. Okay, even function. Therefore, 2 into 2, 4, 0 to pi by 2 sin square x cos power 4x. These both are even. Then you can use this formula. Last value 1 by 2 pi by 2. Therefore, answer pi by 8. Next sum. Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. You can observe these sums are 16 and 17 both are almost same, but the intervals are changed. F of x is equal to sin square x cos power 4x is even function. Therefore, 2 into 0 to pi by 2 sin square x cos power 4x. Both are even. Then you can use this formula. N minus 1 by m plus n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2. In last, we will get 1 by 2 pi by 2. Therefore, answer pi by 16 is the answer. Okay. Next, integral 0 to pi by 2 tan power 5x into cos power 8x. Okay. You can convert the tan in the value of sin by cos. That is equal to sin power 5x by cos power 5x into cos power 8x. Cancel here. Then sin power 5x cos cube x. These both are odd. Okay. Then formula integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx cos power nx, that is equal to n minus 1 by m plus n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, so on 2 by m plus 3, 1 by m plus 1. Okay. That is equal to, I will get this answer, 1 by 24. Integral 0 to a root over a square minus x square dx. Suppose this is a substitution method. You can take x is equal to a sin theta, therefore dx is equal to a cos theta theta. A cos theta d theta. Suppose you can take substitution value, then you can change the values of the lower interval and upper interval. Then x is equal to 0, then theta is equal to 0. In upper interval, substitute the value of x is equal to a. Therefore, a is equal to a sin theta. Therefore, sin theta is equal to 1. Therefore, theta is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, lower interval 0, upper interval pi by 2, root over a square minus x is equal to a sin theta, a square sin square theta into the derivative of this value. Therefore, a cos theta d theta. Okay. Integral 0 to pi by 2 a into root over 1 minus sin square theta into a cos theta. That is equal to a cos square theta. A square integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square d theta. N is equal to 2. You can observe this is the cos power n theta d theta. Okay. Therefore, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx. You can use this formula n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2, so on 1 by 2 pi by 2. N is even. Okay. Therefore, a square into 2 minus 1 by 2 into pi by 2, that is equal to pi a square by 4 is the answer. Next sum. Integral 0 to a root over a minus root over x whole square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Root a square a, root x square x minus 2 into root a into root x. Okay. Then integral a means that is a constant. Integral a dx means a into integral 1 dx, that is equal to ax. Integral x dx is equal to x square by 2. Okay. Then minus 2 root a is the constant, root x. It is in the form of root x means it is in the form of x power n dx, that is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Then you can use this formula, that is equal to x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Then ax plus x square by 2 minus 4 by 3 root a into x power 3 by 2, 0 to a. Then a square plus a square by 2 minus 4 by 3 root a into a, that is equal to a square. Here 6a square, you can take LCM, that is the 6a square plus 3a square minus a square, that is equal to a square by 6. Okay, thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.